Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda 3 diesel hatch, stock reference number 4422. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. We have the left hand sill skirt. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Unfortunately nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left hand sill skirt. Left rear door has one small dent. Left front door has two small dents. Left power door mirror. Left guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, sat nav display cluster, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone and nav buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.